Hey guys, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This is Steve from Waiting for Breakouts, and we're going to do a quick folio review and a quick watch list review, and maybe we'll look for some monsters too. So my BAER trade, which I've been in for a few days now, came back from the dead, popped off the 268, which I'm quite pleased about. My stop loss, I got in here, 400 at 264. 400 shares at $2.64, that is, and that was right down at the bottom. So it popped away up, and I could have gotten out there if I was being greedy. 30% trade in just a few days, which was super nice. But I think it's going higher. So it's had this big pullback. It sort of retested that entry point. I'm pleased it didn't drop through. If I would have got stopped out, that would have been sucked massively. But it's popped, and fingers crossed it will go higher. And we really need to get above the 331. So I'll hang on to that one just now. INNV, it's just blowing up, isn't it? Wow, INNV, Innovage Holdings. This has had a giant pop. I'm beginning to wonder if, maybe pullbacks isn't the way. Maybe you just wait for a red candle, because this is just going up and up and up. And this is a cool little trade, isn't it? Almost 20% in just a couple of days. So INNV looks really nice. I could get into that. I'm really liking it. I might wait for a red candle day. I like that a lot. Toyo, that's a nice pullback there. I really like Toyo. This is cool. This is looking really cool. Toyo for the win. I think we'll be getting in. Not meaning to rhyme, but I think that could be a thing. Job, if we zoom out to the macro instead of the micro, this is interesting, isn't it? So it's come right back to that gap up. Where will it go from here? GOB. It's nice, isn't it? Tiny stock. ERAS again, trade of the month, just an absolute monster trade. I got in at 361 and it's up at 250 in just a few weeks. Insane. I got stopped out earlier on that one. I like this AVBH. I think this is really cool. Fake out, pullback, and ginormous breakout here. Is it going to go higher? I think it will come back, but looking at that one, the RSI is still pretty toppy, 77, so won't be getting in there, but it's an interesting one, isn't it? HG is just a very strong slow burner. The 50-day moving average is just running right along that, so I will get in back down here on this one, away down at the 38s. I'll be buying at the 38s. What was that then down here? 52. So I'll be looking to get in somewhere here, because this is just a really nice stock that seems to be quite well managed. Pocky is another absolute banger, which I'm absolutely loving. That was kind of your entry point. Here's a lovely pullback on Pocky. Lovely pullback there. That could be a thing. 5, and it's jumped again in after markets. So looking very strong. Pocky, I really like that. So let's have a look for some interesting breakouts. Actually, maybe I'll save that for the next video. So yeah, that's the watch list review. I'm really liking some of the stocks in the watch list. They're looking really sick. Just to recap then, watch list. Watching, so I like all of these actually. I think they're all fantastic. I might get back into ERAS, ERAS, which is great. AVBH I also like. HG Pocky I love this pullback. POCI, and they're all looking really good. So I'm about to do a monster stock that will drop soon, so subscribe and watch this video over there, and thank you for watching. Peace and love, and keep waiting for breakouts. See you on the other side. Peace.